Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe khona la. Ikakhulu sibonga ama-partners la sisitako ekuchubekeni kwale midlalo. Sifiso sethu sekuchasa ngalo mdlalo besizama ku-minimize i-unwanted pregnancy. Above konke ngokuthi nanani nikhona ukutimela. We have seen bomabonakude bantu lababosisi bakhona ukutimela ngalosona le sport less of which nangalanga kithi kungendeka. We were giving it a try lokuthi lele sikubona lena sesiku-apply this kula kule nkundla yethu. We hope ukuthi nitati iphatha kahle njengoba nitiphathe kahle. Above all, respect plus education like Deputy Chair Ashito. Ngaphandle kwaleti into leto kude lenitakuzuza, but mawuhlanganisa leti into leto, respecting your parents, respecting your coaches, kutanenda nibe successful ekuphileni nje kwenu general. So ushito futhi na deputy ukuthi bo coach siyacela lokuthi bantwana nithi nibajimisa nibendisa konke babe bawathi nema duties lekufanele ukuthi bawende emakhaya. Kutoba melula lokuthi labadali babakhulule emakhaya. Kungaba kusho nje ukuthi sibonga kakhulu nalo litiko laka EWFA for the support labasiniketa yona. Nathi sisesenkundleni we promise lokuthi we will do our level best in the next coming years up until ngisho maybe ngendeka ngibuye lo uthatha 10 years who knows lo 10 years staff eselo sicubeka esisebenza but nje sisesekhona nyalo in the office. We will make sure ukuthi nanani asinibukeli phasi niyachubeka niyadlala. Ngiyabonga Nkosi.